Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Product Subscription widget, a powerful feature that allows you to offer both one-time purchases and subscription options directly on your product pages. This widget helps increase recurring revenue while giving your customers flexible buying options, all within a clean and professional layout. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. First, open your customized Debutify theme. Next, navigate to Product Information and locate the Product Subscription widget. To enable or disable the widget, head to Theme Settings and open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the Product Information and open the Product Subscription settings. This is where you can fully customize how the subscription options appear on your product page. To create a subscription plan, you'll first need to install a subscription app. You can use Shopify's free subscription app to set this up quickly and easily. Once your subscription plan has been created and assigned to a product, the Product Subscription widget can then be used to display the subscription option directly on your product page. For the best compatibility and design consistency, make sure not to use other widgets provided by the subscription apps. This ensures the Debutify Product Subscription widget works properly and maintains a clean, professional layout. And that's all you need to get started with product subscriptions. The first displayed option allows you to choose which purchase type appears first on the product page. You can select either the one-time purchase option or the subscription option to control how customers initially see the offer. The pre-selected option lets you decide which option is automatically selected by default. You can set either one-time purchase or subscription as the default choice, helping guide customers toward your preferred purchasing method. In the one-time purchase section, you can customize the title of the purchase box to match your brand's voice. This allows you to rename it however you prefer. The price field uses a dynamic variable, meaning the product's actual price will automatically appear here based on your store settings. If you have a compare it price set for the product, the compare price variable will automatically display the original price to highlight discounts. In the subscription section, you can also customize the subscription box title to something like "Subscribe and Save," or any text that fits your strategy. Just like the one-time option, the subscription price is powered by a dynamic variable, so the correct subscription price will automatically be displayed. The compare price variable will also automatically show the original price if available, helping emphasize savings for subscribers. You can customize the badge text to draw attention to your subscription offer. This is perfect for adding messages. The delivery frequency title allows you to edit the label displayed above the frequency selector. You can rename it to better match your store's tone, such as delivery frequency. Finally, in the benefits and description, you can add custom text explaining the advantages of subscribing. This is where you can highlight key benefits like cost savings, convenience, automatic deliveries. A strong description here can significantly improve subscription conversions. And that's it. Your product subscription widget is now fully set up and ready to boost recurring sales. With this feature, you can offer flexible purchasing options, highlight savings, and create a smoother shopping experience, all while keeping your store's design clean and professional. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.